Week 6, Monday to Friday. My family. Good morning, friends. Glad to see you again. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. Yippee! Days of the week. Monday to Friday is the standard work days in the world. Saturday is the day for family fun, grocery shopping, doing repairs around the house, and watch sports. Sunday is the day for going to church, having lunch with family, rest, and mentally prepare for the week ahead. Friends, if today is Monday, what day was it yesterday? Yes, that's right, friends. It was Sunday. If yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, what day will it be tomorrow? Yes, friends, then tomorrow is Friday. The alphabet. The alphabet helps us to read. It consists of 26 letters, from A to Z. Let's do the first 3 letters. A for ant, B for bat, C for car. Introducing my family. This presentation shares who my family members are, the values we cherish, and the memories we've created together. Ask Mom and Dad to explain your family values to you. Family structure. In my family, I have a mom and a dad. I also have one brother and one sister. How does your family structure look? Parents. Mom, Michelle, is a teacher who loves gardening. Dad, Henry, is an engineer who enjoys riding bikes. Siblings. My brother Sam. His favorite subject is science, and he likes cross-country running. My sister Amy. Her favorite subject is art, and she plays basketball. My name is Frankie. My favorite subject is maths, and I love playing baseball. Grandparents. Grandma Kathy is known for her amazing stories. Grandpa Richard loves playing chess with us. Extended family. Uncle Alex and Aunt Brigitte host the best family reunions, and everyone enjoyed the food and drinks. Cousins. Fun-loving and always ready for adventures. We sing karaoke together and enjoy playing outside. Pets. Our parrot Polly. She can talk, whistle, and sing. Our cat Tina. She loves to sleep in the sun and eats tuna. Our dog Max. He is small, bark a lot, and don't like strangers. Family traditions. 1. Weekly family movie nights. 2. Annual holiday trips to the mountains. 3. Celebrating birthdays with the homemade cake tradition. 4. Making memories together. Special memories. Hugging Mom and Dad after my brother Sam and my sister Amy completed their school's cross-country race. Me singing karaoke with Cousin Emma and Cousin Becky. My sister Amy helping Grandma Kathy to put her glasses on. Dad Henry explaining to Grandpa Richard his new business idea. My brother Sam eating ice cream with Aunt Bridget. My sister Amy sharing her food with Mom Michelle. Challenges. How to overcome a family challenge like moving to a new city. Support each other during tough times. Even mom and dad is going to miss their friends. Be more understanding and try not to fight with each other because you are feeling scared or sad and not sure how to express your feelings. Support system. Emotional support. Try to always be there for one another. Listen and try to understand how the other person is feeling. Are they happy, scared, or sad? Practical support. Sharing responsibilities at home. If everyone helps to keep the house clean and tidy, everyone can enjoy watching TV together. Ask mom to help you create a family chore chart. Lessons learned. It is important to show kindness and generosity to family and friends, but also know when to have healthy boundaries when people take advantage of you. Ask mom and dad to explain this to you in more detail. Hard work and perseverance always pay off and gives us a feeling of accomplishment that makes us happy. Doing hard or difficult things is good for us. It builds confidence and perseverance. Future family goals. Set up a yearly family calendar showing school and work holidays, birthdays, and special events. Then plan your family events and book them into the calendar so that everyone can plan accordingly. Also, set goals with completion dates for each family member. Can you also include days for volunteering in the community, like helping at the local pet shelter? Do you recognize this number? Yes, friends, it's number 6. Let's count from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we call this color? Yes, friends, it's orange. Let's look around and see what items are orange. What do we call this shape? That is right, friends. It's called a parallelogram. Let us look around the house and see if we can find this shape. This is a difficult one. Ask Dad if he can help you find them. Exercise of the week. Can you open and close your eyes slowly? Now, open and close your eyes fast. We call this blinking really fast. Can you open and close your mouth slowly? Like a little fish. Now, can you open and close your mouth really fast? Like a little piranha. Task of the week. Name one thing you like about each member of your family. Can you name your mother's mom and dad? Can you name your father's brothers and sisters? Congratulations, friends! Well done on completing this week's theme. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for learning about my family. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. Till next time, bye!